Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Real quickly, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to say thank you to anyone who subscribes to the channel, comes in and watches the videos, and thank you to anyone who comes in and watches the videos. I am glad you're here. Today, I'm going to take apart this AM8 here and see about what kind of bearings it's using, see if I've done a bearing swap on it, and just kind of share it with you guys. I've got a couple of bearings that might fit it, and I figured we would just start by taking the clip off. Everything's T8s, and hopefully they're not too Loctited. The clip's going to be a little tricky. Let's see. The back clip. Let's press fit in there, alright. Body screw. Alright. I'm going to get my weehaw, because this is glued in to the max. A little tacky too. This has got a lot of stuff on it that we'll want to clean off. Alright guys, let's see what we got in here. Got a little goo forming there on that blade. We'll clean that up. Got some little bearings. I'm getting a little rust in there. Whoops. Alright. So, we have got 1/16, 1/34. 1/16. That's my pivot. 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters, 1/16. So we got here. Alright, we might use the 3/64. First thing I'm going to do, whoops, is clean up this corrosion on this blade, smuts. One of these sets of bearings is going to work. I'm just not sure which one it's going to be. We will learn together. It's either going to be the 1/16 or the 3/64. So I'm afraid the 1/16 may be just a little loose. Afraid the 3/64 may be a little tight. But we will know when we get it together. I want to build up a groove in my pivot if I have to. Alright. I think that'll be good. What we will do, just to be ahead of the game, is we'll take our little oily cloth and we'll coat that area that had a little rust. Coat that blade. Alright, now the first step is going to be the tricky one, to see if we've got the right bearings or if these are going to be too loose. We may be between these and the okay, so what we got to do here, clean off our lock bar. We're going to get a little more KPL. We're going to get a little bearing. And use it up on our fingers. Alright, so now I want a little bit of KPL heavy. Alright guys, we're just getting a little KP or Loctite off this pivot screw. Thread this bad boy back in there. Hold that captive pivot on the back. Need to bring on our body screw. And the clips. Alright guys, we've got our dead net centered, fall shutty. Those bearings will break in. We replace some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ball ceramic with some 15 ball phosphorus bronze. I think it'll give us a little better play, better ride once it breaks in. But that is our skiff upgrade of the night. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Used a little KPL. You want to use KPL, pick it up at KPL, use Javon 10, save yourself 10%. Same with Skiff Bearings. If you want any bearings, or if you want the cheat sheet, or if you want any of the other tools, Javon 10 at checkout saves you 10%. So don't forget that stuff. But guys, thank you so much for taking time to watching me struggle through this. And all I ask is, if you would, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts. Choose debate, not hate. Please hit that like button. And if you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, hit that subscribe button too. Guys, I love you all. Peace.